We'll go to the second presentation of the session. Determinants of air passenger demand in Sri Lanka, a case study based on Bandaranayake International Airport. Ms. Dilhari.
Good morning, Honorable Chairperson and ladies and gentlemen. My topic is Determinants of Air Passenger Travel Demand in Sri Lanka. This is a research based on Bandaranayake International Airport. My presentation contains the introduction, significance of the research, literature review, description of data, methodology, conclusions and recommendations, and reference. As you all know, air transportation plays a significant role in nation's economy, providing expeditious links to the international markets. Globalization and advanced technological applications has seized the world, while the aviation industry further diminishes the existing gaps by physically linking any two locations. And aviation provides the speediest, most convenient and efficient travel, but with a comparatively highest cost. But still, the most interesting fact is that it is evidenced by most of the transport statistics that the demand for air transportation is increasing yearly, even though the cost is comparatively high. So I observed that examining the determinants of air transportation demand would be effective and prudent in all aspects of policy implementations and as well as in forecasting process in the corporate environment. So that is basically in the world context, and that is the same in Sri Lankan context, because the statistics evidence that in year 2011 an impressive growth has been reported in passenger movements as 24.48% increase compared to the previous year. So the significance of my research is that this area of study has not been very much focused by the academics, economists, as well as the policymakers of Sri Lanka, in particular to this logistics and transport sector. And this study has a practical significance which is socially and economically imperative. In the economic perspective, this prospective study assists policymakers in formulating strategies which attract more passengers for economic development of the country by identifying areas of the economy to be further investigated and invested. So, from the previous research done by Dimsari in 2012, he has found the impact of factors on air transport demand in Turkey is based on the population, income, consumption, expenditure, rail passenger number, high-speed rail passenger numbers, oil prices, and you can see the formula he created from regression analysis. Then Abdullah in 2000, he has done the research on domestic air travel in Saudi Arabia, and he has found in that area population size in millions, and total expenditure in billions, has a significant contribution on number of passengers in millions. So the methodology of my research is the selection of the problem, and I have reviewed existing research and theories, and variables have been specified, statement of hypothesis have been conducted, and determinants of appropriate methodology and research design. Data collection has been done, descriptive and inferential analysis has been carried out, and model fitting is done, then the presentation of the results. So basically this research is conducted on secondary data sources by Central Bank annual reports, annual statistical reports of Sri Lanka Tourism, annual report of Civil Aviation Authority, Airport and Aviation Services Limited, BOI annual reports, and so on. And this research is based on univariate descriptive analysis, and hypothesis testing has been carried out using Pearson correlation coefficient, since those dependent and independent variables are continuous, and models have been fitted using regression analysis. These are my variables. I have selected 15 variables. The total passenger movement, passenger arrivals, passenger departures, population, GDP, per capita GDP, unemployment rate, interest rate, average exchange rate, government expenditure, total migration for employment, fuel price, FDI for indirect investment, tax revenue, government debts, tourist arrivals, and inflation rate. So the data was collected over 37 years from 1976 to 2012, and 3 models have been fitted for total air passenger volumes, air passenger arrivals, and air passenger departures. So those are the dependent variables, and 15 independent variables have been taken. And this table shows hypothesis testing for correlation between ith variable and total air passenger movements. Likewise, for other 2 variables, that is total departures and arrivals, hypothesis testing has been carried out. So from that, forward selection method has been used to derive these 3 models for total passenger movements, the tax revenue, average exchange rate, tourist arrivals, interest rate, and foreign direct investment have been come as most significant variables, and that is those all variables, explanatory variables, are the same in those other 2 models as air passenger arrivals and air passenger departures. So in conclusion, as you saw in the previous slides, tax revenue, average exchange rate, tourist arrivals, interest rate, FDI have become most significant factors that determine arrivals, departures of the air passengers, and of those formulas, negative correlation to the interest rate has been taken. So in recommendations, further extensions to the study can be made when Hambantota International Airport expands its operations, develop a forecasting tool which project future air travel demand for 2 international airports can be done, and carry out further research work to investigate the reasons behind the absence of population, GDP, per capita GDP, unemployment rate, government expenditure, total migration for employment, fuel price, inflation rate. Those were absent, so in the 3 models. Concentrate more on each of the significant variables in the way of increasing air passenger demand in a cost-effective manner. So those are the references I have taken in my research.